Hi everyone, I welcome you in my channel Math is Easy. Today we will learn factorization of algebraic expression in R.D. Sharma book for 9th standard syllabus of CBSE pattern. So first example, the factors of x cube minus 1 plus y cube plus 3xy are. Here 4 option is given. So first we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus thrice abc is equal to first bracket a plus b plus c into second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca from the identity. So we write this expression in the form. So x cube plus minus 1 cube plus c cube minus into minus 3 x y is equal to, from the identity here, x plus minus 1 plus y in second bracket x square plus minus 1 square plus y square minus a into b means x into minus 1 minus b into c, so minus 1 into y minus y into x means xy. Then solve this. X minus 1 plus y first bracket, then second bracket is x square minus 1 square means plus 1 and plus y square minus into minus plus x plus y minus xy. So in the option, first option is x minus y plus 1, x square plus 1 plus y square plus x plus y minus xy. So our answer is option number A is our answer. I hope friends you understand this example. Then next example. Then second example, here the factors of 8a cube plus b cube minus 6ab plus 1 is equal to how much? Here 4 option is given. Here also we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c in one bracket, then second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So we write this expression in the form of this. So 8a cube means twice a cube plus b cube plus 1 cube minus 3 into 2a 2a b into 1 3abc. Okay, then put the value. A plus B plus C in second bracket a square means 4a square. 2a square means 4a square. Then b square. Then 1. Then minus ab means a into b minus 2ab minus b, only b, then minus ca means minus 2a. Then solve this. 2a plus 2a plus b, sorry here 1, 2a plus b plus 1 in first bracket, then second bracket is 4a square plus b square plus 1 minus 2ab minus b minus 2a. So our answer is option number 3 is our answer. 2a plus b plus 1, 4a square plus b square plus 1 minus 2ab minus b minus 2a. So in this way our answer is obtained. So friends, next example. Then third example, here x plus y cube minus x minus y cube r. Factorization of this expression. So here 4 option is given. So first solution is x plus y cube minus x minus y cube. We assume here this a cube and b cube. So we know that a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square from the identity. So put this value in. So here a minus b means x plus y minus x minus y, first bracket. Then second bracket, a square means x plus y square minus plus ab means x plus y into x minus y plus b square means x minus y square. Then solve this. X plus y minus x minus minus plus. Then second bracket, x plus y square means x square plus 2xy plus y square plus x, then x plus y into x minus y is equal to x square minus y square. So plus x square minus y square. Then this x square minus 2xy plus y square from the identity. Then x cancel, here 2y is. Then second bracket, 2xy minus 2xy cancel. Then minus y square plus y square cancel. Here x square, 2x square, x square, 3x square, y square, only 1. So 3x square plus y square. So 2y into 3x square plus y square. So option number A is our answer. So then next example. Then fourth example and last example. Okay, the expression of a minus b cube plus b minus c cube plus c minus a cube can be factorized as. Here four option is given. So first, a minus b cube plus b minus c cube plus c minus a cube. Let this a, b and c. So a plus b plus c is equal to a minus b plus b minus c plus c minus a. All is cancelled. So here a plus b plus c is equal to 0. But we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to first bracket a plus b plus c, second bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. Here a plus b plus c is equal to 0. So our whole answer is 0. So here a square plus b square, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to 0. So our answer is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to thrice abc. Okay, then put the value of this. A cube means a minus b cube plus b minus c cube plus c minus a cube thrice into a minus b, b minus c and c minus a. So our answer is a minus b cube can be factorized, we ask here. So our answer is thrice a minus b, b minus c, c minus a. Option number B is our answer. I hope friends you understand today's example. So please do subscribe my channel Math is Easy and like and comment if you any, and sharing of most of your friends, and thanks for watching my video. Okay friends.